at Franklin High School, we have several announcements of interest today.
All right, freshman class is having a dine-out night on Wednesday at Chick-fil-A directly across from Franklin High School. If schools were open, some of you would be trying to sneak over there during lunch. And Mr. Valentine would be bringing you back along with some waffle fries. He loves those waffle fries.
Sure does.
Woo!
Hey, I'm Bryson.
And I'm Nicholas, and we're from the class of 2024. Come join us at Chick-fil-A across from Franklin.
This event will be held on Wednesday the 28th from 5 to 7.
And you can either do carry-out or pick-up.
Make sure to mention Franklin with your order.
Also on Wednesday is the Best Buddies Club. They're having their second meeting of the year, and here's Brandon with some more information.
Hey everybody, this Wednesday, October 28th at 2:30, we will be having our second Best Buddies meeting of the school year. If you want to join the meeting, email either Mr. Lawson or myself for the code. Hope to see you there.
There's a lot going on this Wednesday. The Future Business Leaders of America, the FBLA, will have their first meeting of the year on Wednesday at 2:30. Contact Coach I or Miss Lindley if you want more information. Email addresses and a Google Meet code will be displayed now. Thanks. Again, this meeting is for future leaders and it will be held on Wednesday tomorrow at 2:30.
And I hope you heard that the yearbook staff has extended the deadline for submitting underclass photos. And the 100th student from each grade who submits a photo will get a free photo spread in this year's dial. Here's some more information from the staff.
Are you interested in making your debut in the Franklin High School yearbook? Well, you now can by submitting photos and answers to our many prompts in the Franklin High School webpage. You can access the Google Forms by going to franklinhs.bcps.org and then by going to News and Yearbook Information.
We also have some yearbook information for seniors. Let's hear what seniors need to do if they want to be remembered in this year's yearbook.
Attention seniors, if you're interested in having a senior quote or you want to vote for your senior superlatives, go to franklinhs.bcps.org. From there, go to News, What's New, and Yearbook Information. There you'll see the link and all the instructions for your quote and your votes. The deadline is November 30th with no extensions, so get on it.
And the Maryland General Assembly Page Program application is now available. This year's program will be held virtually, but pages will get the opportunity to have online discussions with Maryland senators and delegates and participate online in the legislative sessions and committee hearings. Seniors, if you're interested in being a page in the Maryland General Assembly, contact Ms. Stifler by Thursday, October 30th, to get an application. Actually, that should be Friday, October 30th, to get more information.
Close to Halloween.
Sure is.
Yeah.
What are you dressing up as?
That's a good question. Maybe a donkey.
Oh.
How about you?
Well, there you go. I usually pass on dressing up.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Speaking of dressing up, that's a really nice jacket you have on today, Miss Willard.
You too.
All right. Tuesday.
Twinsies.
Yep. Twinning is winning. Finally, we're no longer going to mention the last day for advanced placement students to register for the May exams this Thursday. You've had enough of notifications, AP students. That's all, Franklin. Have a good
great
day.
day.